What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. We're going to be making a super healthy vegetable fried rice today. I got some leftover basmati brown rice and also a bunch of odds and ends of vegetables. We're going to be making a really nice fried rice with it with some eggs. It's going to be totally delicious, really good for you. So let's get right to work. All right, guys, so let's go over our ingredients really quick. We have here about 1 cup of shredded zucchini. This is just some leftover zucchini that I had from something else that I made. I also have about 1 cup of Brussels sprouts that are cut into small pieces. I have about 1 cup of shredded kale, 5 cloves of garlic, about 2 cups of shredded cauliflower, about a half cup of red onion, 3 eggs, organic ginger powder, soy sauce. I'm using my hot sesame oil mixture. You guys can use sesame oil if you don't want it spicy. This is a spicy hot oil that I make with Thai chilies. I'll leave the recipe on the iCard above if you guys are interested. Half cup of carrots diced, finely diced. I'm sauteing with avocado oil. And I have here about 6 cups of basmati rice. This is actually basmati brown rice. It's organic and it's being sold at Sam's Club. Here's actually the bag for it. It's called Eco Life or Eco Life, however you want to say it. But yeah, this is a great organic brown basmati rice. There's a bunch of really cool stuff on the back. But anyways, that's what we're going to be using as far as ingredients. It's a great way to clean out your fridge. If you got odds and ends like this, you can just use them all with some leftover rice and make a great, delicious, healthy recipe. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over and start our aromatics over in the wok. Okay, so with our wok on medium-high heat, we're going to go ahead and start out by dropping about 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. So 2 tablespoons there. Start. Now we're going to drop the garlic. Now we're going to go in with the onion. Now I'm going to whisk the 3 eggs while this is going on. I have the 3 eggs here. I'm going to create a little space on my wok. I'm going to go ahead and drop them. As thin as possible. And I just want to make kind of like a scrambled egg and cook these. Try and do everything on the wok. Okay, so now the eggs are done, we're going to kind of set them aside a little bit. We're going to drop carrots, which are the slowest cooking, and some of the greens. I'm mixing all these ingredients. I'll go ahead and add the cauliflower. I'm gonna give this about 2 minutes for the veggies to soften up, and then we're gonna mix in the rest of our ingredients and finish it up. Alright guys, so this is nice and softened up. So we're ready to go. We're gonna go in with some of our seasonings. I'm gonna add, let me get a measuring. So I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of organic ground ginger. I'm gonna add about a quarter cup of soy sauce, just to mix things up a little bit. Not a quarter cup, probably about 2 tablespoons. I will add more when I add the rice. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the rice. Start folding everything in. I'm going to go ahead and also add the zucchini. This is just the steam from the rice. Once it gets warm, will cook that. So a very delicate vegetable. Just going to stir this up really nice. Fold everything evenly. All the veggies are spread throughout. I'm going to add some more soy sauce. I don't like to use a lot of soy sauce. I like to taste the vegetables. So I try to keep, the sodium at a decent amount while still having a lot of taste. And the hot oil, sesame oil, adds a lot of flavor, and also it adds some heat, the one that I have. So I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and now I'm going to give it a stir. Wow, it smells amazing. It looks really, really good. Actually, that shredded zucchini kind of gives the appearance of bean sprouts, which is pretty cool. Really like the way it looks and smells. Really happy with it. Okay, so now I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of this hot oil. Like I said, you guys can use sesame seed oil if you don't want the heat. Alright. Oh, drop the chili there. I don't want anybody to get a bite of that one. Okay. So, mix it all in, and we are basically ready to serve this beauty. Looks amazing. I really love the way the colors look. So we're ready to serve now. Okay, so here it is. I just wanted to give you guys a nice view of this beautiful fried rice with all of these veggies in it. I mean, it looks really, really delicious. I didn't add a lot of soy sauce, as you guys saw. maybe about 3 tablespoons total added. So it doesn't have a lot. It looks amazing. It smells amazing. Fresh veggies, fresh garlic. You know, the only thing that I used powder was the ginger, and that was organic. So a lot of really nice ingredients went into this, and cheap ingredients. So I hope you guys really enjoyed the recipe. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you really soon on the next one. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and give this healthy fried rice a taste. First of all, it's got a little bit of bite to it, a little bit of heat because of the sesame oil I put in it. That's the first thing I'm getting. It's got a nice smokiness to it. The veggies are still crisp, they're not overcooked. Getting that ginger, the powdered ginger flavor also in there, the garlic. Wow. Not greasy at all in the least bit. The grains of rice separated nicely. This is totally delicious.